click on the Library Databases button. From here, you see that we have access to over 300 databases. Think of each of these as its own search engine. We recommend starting with one of the general databases. These databases cover a wide variety of topics and are therefore best for early research. I'm going to select a database called ProQuest Research Library for this example. Once at the database, you'll need to break your topic statement up into the most relevant keywords. A library database doesn't operate like Google. It has a more rigid algorithm. Therefore, a topic statement such as "How is robotics used in education in the modern age" would be broken down into the search term robotics and education. Remember the function of Boolean operators. And narrows down results and forces the algorithm to include all keywords in each resource, or broadens it out and includes the keywords combined as well as apart. Not excludes any non-useful keywords. For example, in this case, I may find that I'm pulling too many articles about robotics competitions and robotics teams. Therefore, I can add not team or competition to my search term and throw those out. To use any database resource, simply click on the title. If it is available in full text, you can now choose to download, print, or save the article. If the item is not available in full text, you should contact your undergraduate librarian for assistance.